Seriously, India needs a big therapy session, I feel. Nobody talks about mental health so much, but these days, of course, awareness is so much. Glad that I am born in this generation so we can talk about it, right? So there is one instances which I do not like or do not want to catch up from my mom. One thing is that she keeps repeating the same thing. Like one time, one incident, it affects her. That affect whatever happened, she keeps telling to the different set of people. Anybody who is close to her, she keeps telling for 5-20 years back story to every single person she meets. That's a huge, I'm telling you, baggage that you're carrying. It's a emotional dumping you're doing. The people you meet will not have a good thing about you because you keep telling the bad things, keep telling the negative things. Okay, this person is too much to take, that they'll avoid you, they will avoid you. Why do you want to get avoided for this thing? Leave about avoiding. What about your mental health? You keep telling the same thing, it will be happening the same thing. You're in the same cycle. Break the loop. No, break the loop. So that's when I felt like, no, I never have to catch up this thing. Because what happens when you are as a kid, you see your mom is doing all of these kind of things, you also tend to catch up that thing. You're conditioned in that way. Okay, this is normalized for you. Maybe if we feel bad about ourselves, we keep sharing with people. It's normal. Many people tell that share it with the people. Yes, you should share, but to the closed ones, to whom you feel like, okay, this person is safe to share, only share with them. Even if you do not have somebody, share with yourself through journaling. It's the better way, right? It's the best way actually, so that you're not affecting any relationships. But one thing is, even if you're sharing, you share for a certain period of time until that emotional phase is there, and then come out of it. Why should you keep torturing yourself by telling the same thing 100 times, 200 times? You're just multiplying what you're telling. You are just attracting the same thing, right? What is attracting? You keep telling, the same thing will happen to you, right? You have seen a lot of YouTube videos right now. You know about it. The things that you tell will happen to you. Well, then why should you tell? The second thing that what I feel about mental dumping is, whenever I meet guys, okay, so I know, see, this is not a gender based topic, but still I just want to highlight few things about the gender. That is, guys usually tend to avoid or escape from the mental health things, hiding the things or suppressing the things. It is usually higher in the guys, I feel, because whoever I have met as a friend, as for anything else also. So what I feel is, the even if you're a stranger, they start talking about like, my work is this, blah 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 blah, negative stuffs. I just get like, why? Please stop it. No, like, I am not your emotional healer. I am not a therapist. Please go to the therapist. There are thousands of them. Choose the wiser ones, choose the best ones, and do something about it. You can sit and do journaling. You can sit and do a lot of things for healing, even if you can't pay up for the therapy sessions. Please do that. No, there are a lot of tons of videos that you can see. You can see my video also, but if you're not okay with my video, lot of videos are there. You can check about it, journaling, check about the things, right? Why should you torture yourself and torture somebody else also, like 100 times repeating the same thing? So stop, reflect on yourself, ask yourself the questions, stop yourself from doing this repeat activities, then see the changes for yourself. Because I have done it. I used to complain. I told you, right? My childhood was conditioned from my mom because of this. So I have worked on it, because, like, no, I told, stop, Sampu. Do not repeat the same mistake what your mom has done. You should not carry on to the further generations for it, right? So I stopped it. So today you have to stop it. You are the first one to stop it, maybe. So yes, why did I tell that India needs a therapy? Because I think they neglect so much, to the point that they have normalized being emotional dumpers, being all these kind of things. And it should not be normalized. You have to be peaceful, happy from inside. Like, I have tried and learned, and I am being right now, right? You can be happy, and you can also have the emotional phases also. But emotional phase only should not become your whole life. Think about it. Thank you for watching.